Hey everyone, and welcome back to Let's Crack Unani. So, let's start the journey. This is part 4 of our Arabic Lecture 1 video. In this video, we are going to learn some essential Arabic medical terms. Today's topic is اسماء ادوية, which means the names of drugs. Let's get started. In this video, we have successfully covered our fourth part as well. In part 1 of Lecture 1, we covered 78 names of human body organs and body fluids. In part 2, we covered the names of diseases. In part 3, we covered the names of instruments and equipment. And now, in part 4, we are covering the names of drugs. With this, we have successfully covered a total of 10 marks. To secure your 10 marks, you should practice writing all these terms 3 times. If you cannot do that, make sure to memorize at least 10 terms. Previous year's questions show that they only ask for 5 to 10 terms, like translating them or writing questions such as, name any 5 instruments. This topic is very simple and highly scoring, so do not skip it.